What's happening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're starting today's video in Sunderland, just outside of the city centre. I'm going to have a walk in now, see what's about. I'm not too familiar with this city like I am in Newcastle, so we'll see what we'll find. Let's go on. Loads of construction work going on just outside the city centre. Must be graduation day at university. Nice church here on the way into the city centre. Sunderland Minister, it says on the sign. Nice bits of architecture, couple of bars. See what's going on over here with all these students in the robes. Loads of them about. How is it with graduation? Does it just like one study class graduate at a time, or is it just a whole year group at once? Obviously I'm not smart enough to go to uni, like. It's like a nice little spot there. We've got the Bridger shopping centre just here. I've never been in before, so we'll have a little walk through. See if there's even anything in there. This street's called Maritime Terrace. Chippy there. Mad these streets out. I've only ever been to Sunderland probably 3 times. That's on a night out. Rough as fuck it was. Vape shop. Quite a lot of charity shops on this strip here. Habibi. There's a Juva Queen there. Got beef them with the fucking blinking.
Getting her appointment now with his poor kid.
Right, moving on. Just come up the bottom of that street there, it brings out the Sunderland metro station. I think the high street might be this way, so I'll have a walk down. Right, let's see how many barber shops we can find. Here's the first one. Another vape shop. Every city's ran with them. Another vape shop over there now. Let's carry on up this road, I will. There's a flannels there. I'm sure a while back that shop actually got ram raided. First actual clothing store I've seen. Typical though that you got an European store on the same strip. Moving on. Very quiet it is, the streets. Don't think I'm in the main centre just yet though. Have a little walk down there later on. Another barber shop. See what's happening down here. What street are we on now? Couldn't tell you. This street here just seems to be full of like dental surgeries and that. Back out at the station. I'll head left this time and see where it takes us. Don't know if it's just me or not, mate, but this city centre seems absolutely tiny. Could be something to do with the fact that I don't know where I'm going, but I just like to fly about, me. See what's happening. You never know what could be around the corner, do you? Right there. There's a weather spoons on the corner. Ramp to the hills.
Can he build it on it?
Alright, smart, mate. Alright, lads.
What's happening?
Just from my YouTube channel, I'm just checking out Sunderland.
Sunderland's a fucking good old city.
Where should I go, lads? Is there anywhere to go?
Where do you want to go?
Anyway, see some stuff, see some people.
Best place to go is like have a walk about Woodbury Park, and then from there,
Aye.
we have run, up the town top, stadium like back road, down the east end, best place to go.
Spot on, mate. Have a look. Nice one. One o'clock in the afternoon, pissed out of the heads. What else is it to do on a Tuesday? Eh? Another Barbers. Honestly, the city's really quiet. Haven't even seen a homeless person yet. There's another vape shop now. Have a look down this way. Couple of buildings. On the street. I think I'm just walking in circles at this point, like people. What a CX type shop. Record store. Cocktail and gaming, eh? Coming out to a street with some nightclubs on, yeah. It's a nightclub, the Independent. Like a bingo over there. Do enjoy myself a game of bingo. Another barber shop. These buildings over the road with the red on the top of them, they look like nightclubs, but they don't look open like. They look a bit run down. Tattoo parlour. Got more bars around this area. Got one on the corner here called the Borough. I'm not sure what that's called. You've got some kind of venue there with live bands called The Point. Live lounge and glitter ball. They used to have a glitter ball in South Shields, it was fucking filthy. Get yourself a filthy kebab after a night out, sort you out a little. And as you come further up this road, it brings out the Sunderland bus depot, I believe. Take a walk down these side streets, see what kind of shops they've got. That looks like a decent sized bar called Chaplin's here. That's just round the corner from the other ones that I was on before. Have a little dodge down, yeah. African food store. Barber shop. Shop over here called Earthworks. There's a burger drop there. I've heard good things about that spot, but I've never been. Doesn't look very busy, like, so don't know what to make of it. Right, I'm back onto like the main road running through the city centre now. I believe this takes you to the end of the city centre. It's been a bit underwhelming, like it's not very big in comparison to Newcastle. It's not much about. I'll keep having a walk about, see if I can see anything else like. Sports bar there, Top Flight it's called. There's another Afro store. That looks like a small little bar. Tonic. Got the Cooper Rose on this corner here. That was the main Wetherspoons that we started drinking in when I used to come up here. And if you cross over the road, it looks like there's a couple more bars on your left. We'll cross over and take a look at them, we will. That one's for the life of Riley. There's a couple of bars over there as well. Bridges car park. Didn't realise there's a Rio here. It's an all-you-can-eat Brazilian steakhouse. We've got one in Jesmond and on the quayside in Newcastle as well. I went there once with my mate and they do chicken hearts. Oh, nearly spewed me fucking ring up all over the table. Never again, like, I wouldn't dare. These look like good size here. Bars. Must be getting back next to the university. So I'm seeing a few students dotted about again. I think that might be Sunderland's courthouse. This looks like a fairly new building, like. This is looking like a bit more of a high street area. Got your cash generator there for all the stolen bikes outside. This fucker has had a closing down sale on since I was born. Probably longer.
Yeah, so we went looking for Suburban and I see this coffee table I really like. So we see it the first time and we went back again, it's still there.
It's down here. Have a little look. Canny little alley this, to be fair. Be nice in the summer. brings you out onto what looks to be a church. See if I can get around here and get back onto the high street. That building there is a load of flats. I've done a couple of jobs back in the day when I was a carpet cleaner there. See where this takes me. Stage, yeah. Just takes you up there. Right, we'll head back onto the main street. We'll have a look down here. It's a funny looking building, that one. Looks like it's made out of tiles. Seen better days, this building. There's an old post office. Must be right on the outskirts of the city now because it's really quiet. You can only see one person. Gone down to this street here and see what these bars are. It's a mad city, this one, like, because one minute you're in the centre, and then you'll turn a corner and you're just onto like a street with houses like these. Street with houses, and then if you just walk up there, you've got the main station. It's absolutely tiny, to be fair, in comparison to Newcastle anyways. That's it for today, everyone. Thank you if you've made it this far. I'll be back out on Friday and Saturday night in Newcastle City Centre to see what's going on. Hopefully there's some action there. If you've made it this far, I'd appreciate it if you could like, comment and subscribe. Massively appreciate it, I do. I'll see you on the next one.